Okay, here is the package from vzwunlocker, and here is the unboxing. Kind of loose pack. It took 12 days to get. I'm opening it. There's mifi. There's a USB cable. There's the mifi. There's a jetpack. Here's it turning on. It appears to be dead. It's charging. Here's it on. Well, must not have been dead. Would I recommend it? Well, I guess. But don't be in a hurry to get it, because it may take 12, 14 days for you to even see it. That's the whole downside.
I run into some problems when I got my device. I don't know what band it's on, so I don't know what booster to get. And I'm only getting roughly about anywhere, it varies 580 kilobytes. I think the highest I've seen was a boost of 2400 kilobytes. But mostly it stays 580 to under a meg. And I'm extremely slow speed. I don't know if I'm in a bad area. I don't know how to fix it. I don't know. I'm just frustrated about the whole ordeal. Coming up, you'll see the 720 kilobytes per second speed test at fast.com. I did get it up to 1.5, 1.46 megabytes per second, but I couldn't upload it at the speed test website. I don't know the whole ordeal with the thing. I'm just not satisfied at all. Okay, the whole fact it took 12 days, and then I promised 10 megs, and I ain't even got 3. I don't know if there's something I can do to fix it. I'm just not satisfied with the whole ordeal. I'm hoping somebody on here will tell me what I can do to get better speeds. I bought 2 boosters to come to find out that I guess I need a 700 megahertz booster, so I guess I need to go buy another 700 megahertz booster. I'm going to try that out. I just don't know what else I can do. Maybe I'm in a bad area, my signal's bad, I don't know nothing about any of it. I wish somebody would shed more light on the situation. This speed test was took at night, so I get better speed tests at night, probably about anywhere from 1.2 meg, and I get upload errors. I can't upload at all. Here's my signal page.